How to install 123 form builder into your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am giving you a step-by-step guide on how to add the 123 form builder into your Wix website. So guys, I hope you'd like my video, keep attention, and I'll see you I'll show you everything right now. So let's start from scratch. Step 1 you need to do is to sign up or log into your Wix account. As you can see, I have already made one, and then click on create new site. It's going to offer you their AI technology, but we don't really need it right now, so click on setup without the chat. Now it's going to ask you what type of website do you want to create, so it's not necessary right now, but I'm going to pick a technology company, for example. Then I click continue to go forward, and it's going to prepare our dashboard. So guys, the next step is you need to create a name for your website. For example, we have a technology. Let's type just technology. As an example, you need to type here your real name of the website if you want to be it in online. So then click continue, and it's going to ask you what are the goals for this site. So goals can be different. You can sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, offer services, display creative work, build a community, promote a business, promote yourself, or just explore. So I'm going to click just promote a business and display creative work. So then click continue, and it's going to offer you a Wix apps, but we don't really need it right now, so just I am skipping it. Okay, we are all set. Now we are good to go, so click on continue to dashboard. So our website is 50% ready. Right now I'm going to show you how to add the form builder, 123 form builder. So what you're gonna do is to go here on the left side of your dashboard and see the app market. So click on app market, and you'll see a search bar. Here you just need to search 123 form builder. So as you can see, it's already here. I just click on it. So 123 form builder is gives you opportunity to collect leads, add payments, and automate flows. So what this app is going to do, it is build forms in minutes. You can customize the design of those forms for unique needs. There are always the templates that are ready to use, almost 2000 templates, form and field conditional logic rules. So it is integrated with Wix Contacts, Mailchimp, Google Drive, HubSpot, Dropbox, and more for instant data transfer from your forms to your favorite tools. You can here collect files and automated payments, set autoresponders, customize notifications, set upload file fields, and 524 human email and chat support. So guys, if you want to edit, just click on add to site. There is a free plan available, so don't worry to pay something. Just click agree and add, and it's going to be added into your website in seconds. So you just need to wait a bit for it to download. Okay, so when you see nothing, just reload the page. Okay, so as you can see, it is active. Then just click open, and now we need to customize the template. So click on pick a template, and you're good to go. So as we are creating a technology company website, here it is offering us every template about the technology. So just here browse all the templates and choose the best option for you. As for me, I really like this template is the kitten, so I just click here on edit button, and it's going to load my editor's page. So guys, we have already added the 123 form builder, and I'm going to show you where you're going to see it. So just wait a bit for the editor's page to be loaded. As you can see, it is already loaded. Just wait a couple of more seconds and we are good to go. Okay, so it's polishing our text. Okay, everything is ready. Here you see the sections with add apps. It's going to open the Wix app market one more time. We just need to wait a bit more for everything to be loaded. So as you can see, there is a small button manage apps. So action required, complete setup. So it's going to add a 1 to 3 form builder. Okay, so as you can see, here is it, the form builder. I just put it in the middle of the section. So we just need to double click to configure, change the form template right here. As you can see, everything is working. So it is the main page. So here we are creating a form. I will quickly show you how to create it. There are a lot of options to edit and to create. Right now I cannot see the form builder because something wrong with my internet connection. So I just quickly show you, our plan is free, but we can always upgrade our form builder. So there are opportunities to create another forms, but you can create a beautiful forms without any upgrades. So there are forms and templates for them. For example, you can create a form for the contact form, the customer satisfaction survey, event registration form, order form, job application, online quiz, sales lead, donation, subscribe to newsletter, online poll, testimonial form, support request. So there are settings always, so you can receive form submission, and here you just type the address that every form that the user is going to write you're going to receive it to somewhere. So for example, this email I have right here. So there are always layouts that the label placement, instruction placement, direction, design of the form. So you can pick the best colors for your form, add-ons that you can add: Wix Contacts, Google Sheets, MailChimp, Dropbox, Google Calendar, and everything. So to create a new form, you just click on new form and start to create it. So guys, thank you for your attention. I hope you learned something new from my video. Please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.